Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to this wonderful two-day event full of presentations, panel discussions and of course a lot of networking.
Interesting.
Interconnection.
A great networking event.
Well, it's important because internet is for everyone, global, stable and secure, and so yeah, when we work together, everyone gets the benefits of it.
I mean, the online world has always been a mirror of what is happening in the real world, and we should communicate more, we should cooperate more.
You know, we see the same challenges, sharing knowledge here also at this event.
And the length of what these AI abilities can do is growing exponentially from.
My name is Ernst Norman. I'm the ambassador for cyber affairs of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Netherlands. For you, it's absolutely normal that you go on your holidays and wherever you are, you connect with your phone. And it's actually not normal. It's a success of a lot of volunteers by the tech community.
People can die without the internet, you know. Securing the infrastructure is very important, and securing the services is very important.